The next part to show you is on the bottom, the heat exchanger. These fins, kind of like the opposite of a radiator, they're going to catch the excess heat coming off of the burner and channel it up into the pot to make it much more efficient. And did you notice 3 legs, 3 slots in the heat exchanger? We're going to line these legs up so that they fit right in there in the heat exchanger pot so that it is not going to fall off when it is running. So if we had it sitting, because the camera is pointed down, I'm going to move it here. That's what it's going to look like. And the legs are holding the pot on so it can't wobble and fall off. That flame is going to come out on these heat exchanger fins and dramatically increase the rate at which it transfers heat into the water, reducing your boil time. Pretty cool setup here. We also have a folding spork. You see, that's how that works. And then this is a fire starter. Now you may have noticed I used a lighter because that's how I prefer to do it. But you can also use this kind of steel and steel, flint and steel type fire starter